Welcome. If you want to customize always in display in Samsung Galaxy S8, open the settings, go for the lock screen, select always in display, and at the first we can change a few options. So we can show a clock and the notification when our phone is turned off, I mean basically on the lock screen. So we can pick the home button and clock, or just normal home button. And here we get also the preview. So let's stay with home button and a clock. Here we can pick the display mode, so we can tap to show as a schedule or set it as always. And that's what I can recommend you. Here we can also show the music information. And basically that's all. Right here we can also change the theme of our always display, so we can get, for example, this one. We can add here the default GIFs and then tap down to confirm. Take a look right now. As you can see, that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.